Might as well face it, you're addicted to spuds. She likes them mashed, french fry too, Yukon Gold, baby red. Hi guys, how are you doing today? My name is Kidneyjay. The J stands for jerk because my kidneys are parajerks, and I am sorry for the song. That is a parody of a parody. Might as well face it, you're addicted to spuds for Miss Pink Fairy 123. We are gonna watch one of her cooking delights today. She says they're not for her, these potatoes, but then she says she's gonna try them and let them know. Guys, let me know what you think. Is she gonna be eating these potatoes? I think so. So this is called a lonely, one word, day. So I cooked a meal / cooking / vlog. Pink Fairy, not much going on with her. Same old. We did react to that huge Sam's haul, which was very bizarre. So let's get into it. Before I do, you guys know the drill. Mash that subscribe button. French fry the like button. Leave a comment if you want, as well as I do have memberships if you want to support my channel this way or that way. Oh, I don't know what I'm saying here, but let's get into it. Oof, this was an abomination. You know, haters gonna hate, potatoes gonna tate, I guess. Let's get into it.
Today is Thursday. Drinking me some coffee, just checking out some comments and stuff from my videos. And got some laundry going. Now I want to make some dinner. I want to make some scallop potato cheesy ranch. Never had before for them. And I want to make me something with some chicken. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but we'll see.
Okay, so when you were first diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, almost 2 years ago now, you said, I'm going to make these healthy, low-carb meals that everyone can enjoy. The family's going to get on board. Why aren't you going to be showing the low-carb chicken that you're making instead of making this potato abomination for the family that you're not going to have? You're not going to have. Got it. She's already said that once. She's not going to have this. It's only for them. And as far as answering comments, I hardly ever see her in the comment section. Sometimes she'll like one or two, but really doesn't say much to her subscribers.
Anyways, never made the scallop cheesy ranch before either, so it'll be something new for everybody time. So as soon as I get done here and finish my coffee up, we're going to start that. Hey guys, so I'll use some Hidden Valley Ranch. Got my some potatoes washed. Got a casserole dish. I got the oven on 375. So I'm going to get to the potatoes cut and put in here. I sprayed the pan with some olive oil. I don't want them to stick. So, and then we'll put some cheese and milk in. I got to grate the cheese too. Blah. But oh well, let's cut the potato.
Spoiler alert, she does not grate the cheese. By the way, this video is going to be a lot of Pink on the sink. Well, I guess she's on the counter here. But yeah, this is the angle we're going to get a lot throughout the whole video. I do apologize, but it's not me. It's her.
Right. This is one of my other new dresses. It's actually a...
Oh, fashion show.
Long sleeve.
Uh-huh.
It is. I like it. It's really long, but I got a pair of capris on too because it's cold out again today. Hence why I got my door closed.
Okay. I know what you're all thinking, so I'm just going to say it. I don't know why this woman is always a browless wonder with one tata pointing due east, one tata pointing due west, practically underneath the arms. I don't know why she insists on not wearing a bra, especially if she is going to make it a point to show off her latest Walmart fashion. Listen, if you shop at Walmart, that's fine. That's great. I buy my sweats at Walmart for dialysis because accidents happen at dialysis, and I'm not going to take a chance and wear some Gucci apparel at dialysis. But girl, if you're going to show off your fashion, please, please just wear an over the shoulder boulder holder. Please.
Okay. So I'm supposed to cut these in thin slices as you can.
I wonder if she's ever had a mandolin.
Like a homemade scallop potato. You know what I mean? And these potatoes are so small.
Ah, rotten.
That's rotten. So I don't know what looks like it's
All right,
rotten.
she notices.
I will not buy these ones again. I'll tell you that. No, thank you. They're way too.
I don't know. I still see some discoloration there. Here. I don't know if I would be using that tater.
Small. That's why I like buying cheese that's already grated. You know what I mean? But the block cheese is better for you.
Okay, the block cheese is better for you. So, by the way, she uses the whole block here. So I've said before, when you buy the grated cheese, it has usually an anti-clumping agent, usually cellulose. Some people call it tree pulp. The FDA says the amount that's actually in there is fine for you. It won't hurt you. But I just prefer to buy my own blocks of cheese, and I grate what I need. Also, I use it on the smaller grate, so you actually think you're getting more than what you actually are. As well as it melts better if you use the stuff that's not already grated. But as far as cholesterol, calories, and fat, we all know Pinky here has high cholesterol, is on a statin. It still has all the same things as far as fat, cholesterol, and calories go. So it being better for her, I'm not sure what she's talking about.
I'm gonna do it. Oh no, we'll look up chicken casserole or something. I don't know. Because I'm not eating this. I can't eat this. Not all these potatoes.
I'm going to go on a limb and say she does eat this. Why else would you be cooking it? Also, okay, she can't eat it, but why? I think it would be helpful for Pinkberry to sort of remind herself why she can't eat that. Because she has uncontrolled type 2 diabetes. Her doctor told her, listen, if she doesn't get her blood sugars in check by her next appointment, she will be on insulin, not to mention all the other risk factors of heart attack, stroke, everything else. I don't know why she's not having sort of this internal dialogue with herself when she's cooking these meals, eating the fast food, eating the candy, eating the snack cakes. But hey, her life, right? Her limbs, her life, her eyesight, her kidneys, her everything. So.
No, I cannot.
No, I cannot. Why not, though? Tell yourself. Remind yourself.
I'm trying to make some different things. I'm tired of simple stuff.
Good. So are we.
I'm sure. My husband is too. Although he won't say nothing, but he's sweet like that.
Okay, and before we get into the potatoes here, yeah, she has been cooking a lot of the same things that we've been seeing. As far as our low-carb meals go, it's a lot of low-carb wraps, and you're going to get sick of that fast. If she would just get on the Google and look for diabetic-friendly options, recipes, there is a slew of low-carb, diabetic-friendly recipes out there. Listen, if I ate the same things over and over and over and over and over and over again for my diet, I'd be sick of it and probably give up as well. Okay, let's get into these potatoes.
Sprinkle over this.
Holy crap, that's a lot.
We want them nice and ranch.
Okay, so I had a hard time finding the, oh, why isn't this going up? No. There we go. I had a hard time finding the nutritional information on this ranch stuff. So, a quarter teaspoon, 0 grams of fat, 0 calories, 60 milligrams of sodium for a quarter teaspoon. And then this one here for 100 gram, which would probably be about one package, 7,500 milligrams of sodium. I have no idea if that's right. But all I know is this probably has a lot of sodium. Doesn't have to list the calories and the fat because you don't have to list that if it's per serving, if that makes any sense.
Hi.
Nice and ranchy. Okay.
For sure. Oh yeah, I will put one other seasoning. Just kidding. I'm going to put in some pepper, black pepper. I love black pepper. I know these will turn out wonderful.
Oh, more.
Wonderful, wonderful.
More. No, scalloped potatoes, I never made them this way.
Do some black pepper.
So I just cut them thinly on a mandolin, peeled, do a layer of potatoes, do a layer of flour, potatoes, and then you add your heavy cream. And then if you want to make them au gratin and be fancy, you add cheese.
A cup of cold milk. Let me get the milk. Okay, I got a cup of milk. Put in it. Give them that.
I do wonder if they'll set because there is no flour. I don't know. Maybe the ranch will help it make it set.
Guess what?
Oh yeah, and pads of butter, right? Yes. So she's not adding any butter.
Sometimes. I ain't got no butter. It's on my list. So I think it'll be okay. Actually, I know it will be. I got this extra sharp cheese I'm going to put in it. I was going to shred it, but I changed my mind.
Okay.
I was going to cut some strips to put on it.
Oh boy.
So that's what we're going to do.
Really? I'm going to guess this is just being lazy. It's so much better if you could shred it. Like I said, you use less and you could spread it all nicely across the top.
Of course, I'll show you guys that.
And
you know how it goes.
The whole block is unnecessary. I wondered why they buy so much cheese. Now I know. Now I know. Holy shit.
Well, that one's a little too thick. Gosh darn it. It's 11:40. I haven't eaten.
Yes, you wouldn't want to ruin this by having a thick piece of cheese. She hasn't had anything to eat, and it's 11:40. I'm going to guess she's going to cook this and she's going to eat this because her title of this was Lonely. She's lonely. We've seen it before with the box of mac and cheese. She says she eats when she's alone.
I want some flatbread pizza, but I have no cheese for pizza. That's what it looks like. Here's what I'm thinking.
Oh.
Just lay this all around everywhere, y'all. Have at it. As much as you want. As much as you like. You can take a piece for yourself if you want. Fine by me. Mm-hmm. There we go. Now let's put this in to these tater cook. We'll give it a try.
Wow. She would have used so much less cheese just by grating it. And then she has some cheese to snack on herself.
Cleanup time.
Oh,
and I got
boy.
some cheese for myself. There we have it.
There we go.
And like I said, it just came out of the oven about 40 minutes, 375.
Okay.
Oh, it's smoking.
Oh, wait.
It looks good too, don't it? Like I said, I'm going to try it. I'll let you guys know tomorrow in tomorrow's video what everybody thought of them. Thank you all so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. God bless and stuff on time.
All right. So she is not taking a piece. I'm going to just guess this is liquid, just like soupy potatoes. I'm going to guess underneath it. Um, oh my gosh. She said she's going to try it now. So, yeah, like I thought from the beginning, she's going to have it. Guys, I don't know what to say about this one. Another cooking abomination from our girl, Pinky Pink. Thank you for watching if you made it this far, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!